W33, day 2. Oh no. Oh, there it is. I was like, where's my wipe? Okay, we are going to be grading yesterday's, which was 10.2, 6 through 10.1, 6 through 12. 7 problems, super easy. Shouldn't have. Okay. 6. X equals 7. 7. X equals 3. 8. N equals 9. 9. M equals -4. 10. X equals 1 2/3. Or if you have 1.66 repeating, that's the same thing. Okay? Number 11 is y equals 3. Number 12 is they should have subtracted 4 before dividing. So x should be -2. They did not subtract before they divided. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'll do it out of 14 because I'm nice like that. So take a picture of it, submit it under yesterday's, and we will get on with today. Okay, so we're going to move on to 10.2. So we're on 10.2, and that is on page 430. Page 430. Okay, so this lesson, is about solving equations with variables on both sides. Okay, so they have -4y equals 9 minus y. So I got to get all the y's to one side and all the numbers to one side. So I'm going to plus y. Now what is this? How many y's is that? It's 1 y. So I have basically 1 y. So I have -4 plus 1 is -3y equals 9. Okay, because that cancels each other out. Okay, so then you're going to divide by -3, divide by -3. Y equals -3. Okay? Okay, let's do it again. So we have 3h plus 10 equals -2h. So I can't move this one because that will leave nothing on this side. So I got a -3h minus 3h. So I have 10 equals -2 plus -3 is -5h. See how easy this is? -5 divided by -5, and that cancels that out. So h is left on this side, and 5 divided by -10 is -2. And that's the answer. Okay, let's do another one. Ooh, they're getting hard on you guys here. 4. 7 over 2x plus 1 equals 2 times x minus 4. So we got to distribute on both sides. Okay, so this first one is 4 times 7 over 2. Do you see we can simplify here to 2 and 1. So that's really 14, -14 x, right? Because I'm bringing that down. And then 4 times 1 is -4 because it's -4. Okay, that equals 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times -4 is -8. Okay, so now this is what I got to here. So I am going to plus 14x plus 14x, right? So -4 equals 16x minus 8. So now I'm going to plus 8, get rid of it on this side, plus 8, right there, get rid of that one. Okay, so now I have 4 minus 8 is 4 equals 16x. Then you divide by 4, divide by 4, x equals 4. Well, I did that wrong. I can't think anymore. Sorry, rewind. Okay, so divide by 16, divide by 16. Okay, so we have 4 over 16, which simplifies to 1/4 equals x. Okay, I divided the wrong way. You're probably like, what? Rewind. Okay, let's do another one. Like, that was hard. Lots of steps in that one. Okay, so I'm going to do -3 times 1 minus x equals 1/2 times 2x plus 1. Okay, so you distribute both sides. So that'll be -3 plus, because negative times negative is a positive, 3x equals, what's half of 2? 1x. And then half of 1 is 1/2. Okay, so I'm gonna plus 3 plus 3. Now I have 3 and 1/2. 1x plus equals 3x. So I'm gonna minus 1x minus 1x. So now I have 2x equals 3 and 1/2. Or you could write this as 3.5, right? Okay, so I'm going to divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay, that goes 1 time. Sorry, I'm looking at what they got. So 1.75, and they got 1 3/4, which is 1.75. So that's the answer. So it's a lot of what I've taught you before, and then you're just putting it back into practice. And that's pretty much what we're doing today. So I will do maybe a couple more. So 6x equals 2 times 7x plus 3. So what do? Distribute first. So this is 14x plus 6. 6x. So I'm going to minus 14x. That cancels it out. Minus 14x. So that's -8x equals 6. Divide by 8, divide by 8, or take the negative with it. So this is x equals -6/8, which can simplify to 3/4 negative. Okay, so I would like to say a calculator would help you guys, but it ain't gonna help you guys. You're gonna have to just work it out. So you guys are going to do 4 through 15. So 10.2, 4 through 15. And that's what you're going to do. Okay? See you tomorrow.